Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a fantastic two-berth caravan we've got in our used stock, which is one of our bespoke Solaris caravans, being the Solaris 462 2016. So here's a good look at exactly what that caravan looks like. Nice large front locker box, plenty of space in there for two gas bottles. As we come down the side, you've got an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch with a 240-volt socket in the side, and then our bespoke Solaris by Lunar decals on the side. You've got the wonderful machine black alloys, nice window and bin on the habitation door. So stepping inside, the first thing that you see is the combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. You're also benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. You've got a wonderful finish on the sink and a nice large kitchen area. Plenty of storage throughout the caravan with an easy usable height microwave. As we move towards our hand-selected bespoke fabric scheme that we selected for the Solaris range in 2016. But you can see extremely how well looked after this caravan has been by the previous owner in the high quality condition that the fabric scheme is in. Nice large chest area at the front with short pull-out table and PIR sensor for the alarm. You've got a two-tone wood locker effect throughout and plenty of storage. And one of the real unique features is this wonderful full stretch sunroof, allowing a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. Further storage above this spacious sideboard here, where your television would sit on, with a wonderful mirror and television fixings, with further storage underneath. One of the real unique things that you get in a Lunar caravan is a wonderfully spacious bathroom area. So a very, very large individual shower cubicle. High quality finish on the bathroom sink with storage underneath and vanity mirror above. A very large spacious wardrobe with hanging space. A unique shelf tucked away above the toilet for all of those amenities. And a further wardrobe to the right hand side of the shower area. You've got your Lunar command centre just above the habitation door and your Truma blow air heating system to get this caravan nice and toasty and nice and warm for those holidays. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what our Solaris 462 2016 has to offer. I hope you enjoy the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. As I mentioned earlier, 01476 560 599. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.